for another video. Today, what I thought we would do is a mini opening of all these blind packages, ballies, whatever you want to say. So, without a lot of talking, y'all know the drill. We're just going to get on into this. We're going to take our trusty scissors here, get on into seeing what surprise goodie stuff we got. All this dolly goodness. Can't wait to share, so here we go. I thought I'd start with this Series 4 mini brands because I've got 3 of these. I'm just going to say this once. I'm going to take the scissors and do all the opening and all that stuff off camera to save you guys seeing me struggle with it because the tear strips never want to work. So I'm going to do that with all of them, and then I'll come back to you and then we can see what cool dolly goodness minis we got in this Series 4 blind bolly. All right, first bolly wedge. Let's see what we get. All right, what do we got? What do we got? Ooh, it's sparkly. It's sukosu, I think. It's rice noodles. Yay! All right, next bolly wedge. What are we gonna get? The guide and some Hershey's candy miniatures. Cute. If I ever do a store, which I want to one day, maybe I'll make a little convenience store and that'll be cute. Next bolly wedge. A big one. Oh, juicy juice. That's pretty cool. I love all the little stuff that's accurate. On the side, the calories and little barcodes. Super cute. Next bolly wedge. What are we gonna get? Looks like raisins. Yeah, Sun-Made organic raisins. Oh, this is super cute. I love how accurate these are. These are so adorbs. Yay! And I don't think I have this one. And last bolly wedge for the first bolly is, what is this? Collagen, 200 milligrams. I guess it's vitamins. That's hilarious. Next, I'd like to do this Funko Bitty Pop. I've been waiting to open this for forever with y'all. I've had this, I don't even know how long, months and months, but today we're gonna bust it open. I'm super excited. Drum roll. Brrr. Who do we get? We got Jasmine. Yay! How cute is this? Oh, I love these. I don't know how much I paid for this, but I don't think it was more than $3. These are so cute and they look so real, and I think you can actually take her out of there. This is so cool. Super happy with this. And here, if you want to see what all you can get on the back there, I knew they were princesses, I just didn't know that it was on the back. So there you go. So you can see which ones we get. All right, I'm gonna do another of the Series 4 mini brands because like I said, I had 3 of those. And if you didn't see my video where I did the haul of these were only $3.99 plus I got 15% off. So these were super cheap. So that's why I got 3. All right, next Series 4 mini brand wedge. What are we gonna get? If I can get it open. All right, Mike and Ike's. Berry Blast. These are so cute. Some people don't like the little boxes. I don't mind them so much because like I said, one of these days I want to make a little store or something, and I think this will be cute to stock the shelves. Next bolly wedge. What are we gonna get? Okay. TGI Fridays mozzarella sticks. I love me some mozzarella sticks. These are adorable. Next bolly wedge. Another collagen, 2,000 milligrams. That's funny. Got 3 balls and I got a double. Next bolly wedge. Oh, Peeps. How cute is that? Little lavender bunny Peeps. I love bunnies. Bunnies. And last bolly wedge. What are we gonna get? Looks like some money. Love the money. Also the guide. And it's ramen noodles. Super cute. And I got a stack of bins, $5 bills. Love these. These are so cute. All right, I think I want to bust open this Na 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 mini and see what I got. I know the little code is there, the little bow tie. I don't know which one that is because I always have to look them up because they have different ones for every series, and this one is Series 2, and now they've already moved on to Series 3. So we're gonna spare you all the packaging, deboxing part, but we'll open the other stuff together. All right, here's the little pouches from the box. This will be the shoes, this little one. My trusty scissors here, cut it open and see what we got. Let's see. Oh, those are cute. They have pink on them. Yay for Pinky Pink. These are adorbs. Okay, I cut it open, but I didn't peek, and I'm assuming this is the outfit. Yay! It is the poodle skirt girl. Yay. I love this stuff, and it's so pink, Pinky Pink. Love it. Now here's the pouch with the dolly. I'm gonna do my best not to get the confetti all over. That's why I pre-opened it, and I'm trying to shake it as I go. There we go. It's some on the tape, but look, so cute. I'm gonna bust her out, y'all. here she is before I dress her. I'm gonna put her outfit on, but she's so stinking cute. And if you guys didn't know and didn't see my shorts, I got these for $3 on clearance, so yay! All right, here she is, all dressed. She's so pinky cute, and I can hear the little like French music in my head when I look at her. She's so cute. I love her. I love the hair. I love the flocked little lamb head with the little cute pinky bows. She is adorable. These are so cute. I would have more of them if they weren't so expensive. I think I grabbed 3 or 4 on the day when I found that they were on clearance. So yay, super happy for this pinky cutie. All right, I'm gonna open this KFC mini brand next. Super excited for these. I've only gotten 2 or 3 of these, and I got the little display thing, so I don't have a lot of these, but I love them. They're so cool. All right, Bali all undone. And we have the little packets. I think you get 5. Here is the KFC guide real quick, so you can see all the KFC cuteness you can get. There's the front and the back. All right, first one, let's see what we get. I did a little snip there because I know they have plastic on these, so they don't rip very easily. As you can see with me struggling here. What did I get? What did I get? The nugget bucket or the nugget pack box, whatever. They don't have names on the guide. They just have pictures, but this is so cool. I don't have this one yet. Yay! I definitely want to make a little restaurant KFC and have all this stuff in it for my dollies. That would be so hilarious and adorable. Next KFC thing I got. I cut it more this time so I wouldn't have to struggle with it. What did I get? What did I get? Oh, it's one of the sandwiches. Oh, yay! Oh, I love the sandwiches. These are so tasty. I love them in real life, and I love that you actually get the cute little pouch, foil pouch. These are so realistic and so detailed. Love, love, love these. Oh my goodness, y'all. All right, next one. What am I gonna get? Bucket of chicken, bucket of chicken. I think this is the spicy one. Look at this. Look how detailed this stuff is, guys. These have got to be my absolute favorite of all the mini brand like food things that you can get. These are so awesome. I cannot say enough how much I love these. Next pouch, what are we gonna get? Feels small, whatever it is. Oh, it's one of the wraps. Oh, look at how detailed. It says finger licking good. Oh my goodness. Oh, I so love these. I know some of y'all might not be as excited about these as I am, but I just think these are so cool. And last, KFC in the fancy packaging. What's it gonna be? Oh, what is this? I don't know what this is, but it's super cool. Look at how detailed. There's bacon and cheese, and it looks like some kind of sauce. I think this is 2 pieces of chicken, and then the little wrapper that says Kentucky Fried Chicken. Oh my goodness. I am in love with these, y'all. If you can't tell, super excited about these. Like I said, I think these are my absolute favorite as far as the food ones go. So cool. All right, I'm gonna go for this mini brand fashion series 3 next. Yay! Bali all undone. And it's our 2 little packs, yay! All right, I'm pretty sure this one is the accessory, so I wanna go for it first. And I pre-cut it so that I wouldn't have to fight with it. What do I got? Oh, the boots, the boots! Everybody's been looking for these as far as I can tell. Look at these. Oh, these are awesome, these combat boots. Look at the zipper detail on the side and the grommets and the real laces. Oh, I love these, y'all. Look at the bottoms. They look so real. These are so cool. And now here is the rest of the accessories. I got these goldy colored earrings and this silver cuff bracelet. Yay, these are awesome. And now for the purse, drum roll. What's it gonna be? Oh, cool, yay! This is actually one of the ones I wanted. I really like this one. It's a fabric purse, and look at the chain. Oh, that's awesome. And then it has the little thing there, and it has the little MF for mini fashions. Now it has a zipper. Let's see, does it work? Oh, yes! Some people I've seen open these and can't get the zipper to work. So I am super happy that my zipper works, and I'm super happy with this one. I was kind of disappointed in my last one because I got the heart purse and I wasn't really into that one, but this one I love. Now I'm gonna open my last series 4 mini brands. All right, first Bali Wedge. What are we gonna get? Ooh, it's one of the gold ones. It's a Bitmo real fruit juice squash. There's all kinds of berries on the front. That's pretty cool, but it's kind of big. for 1/6 scale, but I still like it. Next Bali Wedge. What do we got? It looks like Pop-Tarts. It is! It's Pop-Tarts, cookies and creams. Oh, I love this one. This is so cute, even though it's an empty box. I still love it because it's Pop-Tarts. Next Bali Wedge. Guide and Swizzles Refreshers. Original lemon flavor. It's candy. Next Bali Wedge. What are we gonna get? All right. Looks like Revlon Super Lustrous The Gloss. Again, this one is too big for the 1/6 scale dolls, but I don't mind it. And last series for Mini Brands Bali Wedge. Brrr. Oh, this is cool. Oh, I love this. Arm & Hammer, powerfully clean, simple and clean. That is so cool. Now this is about the right size, I think, for the dolls. So this is super awesome. Love this. Look at the back. Even has stuff on the back. Love it. All right, we're gonna open this Stitch Blind minifigure box next. All right, we're gonna do this together. Gonna pull the little strip, see which one we get. What did we get? What do we get? Oh, yay! This is perfect. I got the KFCs and I got the Stitch with the chicken leg. I'm gonna open him. Hang on. Oh my goodness, I love me some Stitch. He's so cute. Look at him chewing on the chicken leg. He is adorable, super detailed, really, really nice figure. I think these are around $4, $3 or $4. I got this one on sale, but I can't remember because it was so long ago how much it was, but I think it was like $2.99 or something like that. Love, love, love this. So happy for the Stitch. And here is the guide for the Stitch ones, and I can show it to you here so you can see it. Now, I have gotten, and I've opened it on my own, this one here with the cake, and this one here where he's chewing on the taco, for sure. And now I have the one where he's eating the chicken leg. So yay! Love me some Stitch. And this one's series 2. Now last thing we have to open is Na 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 Surprise Mini. Gonna do the opening off camera and then come back to you. All right, here's our 3 baggies. We're gonna open them one by one. This one should be the shoes. Let's see what we got. Oh, ooh, these look like boots. Like cowboy boots or something. These are cute with the little flowers on them. And this should be the outfit. And it is. It's the little tie-dye dress. Super cute. It looks like that might be, yeah, got some little defects on it, but I'm not mad at it. I only paid $3 for these. And last we have the dolly. Now I'm gonna try, like I did last time, to not get the confetti everywhere. It's the bunny, yay! I thought when I was looking at these in the store that I tried to get the ones that I wanted, but I couldn't remember because it's been so long. I'm gonna debox this little girl and dress her up, and then we'll see what she looks like. Here she is, little purple bunny girl, all dressed up. I don't love the outfit, have to say, but the boots are adorable. So I might make her my own little cute outfit, but the bunny, purple bunny ears, so super cute. Love, love, love. I love these minis. I love the Na 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 minis. Like I said, I would have more of them if they weren't so expensive, but I love getting them on sale and sharing all that with y'all. So here she is, super duper cute. Well, y'all, that's all for this mini opening of all my little blind Bali boxes and all the cool fun stuff. So if you've been with me to this point in the video, I have to say huge hugs and dolly love to all you lovely watchers and subscribers out there. Thank you so much for being with me and for watching, y'all. As always, I hope everybody watching is well, happy, and safe, having a great dolly day, and that all the good, best things that are in this life that can come to you, I honestly, truly hope they will. I have to say, great big, huge, lovely subscriber love to all you wonderful, lovely subscribers out there. I can never say enough just how wonderful, just how special you are, how much I appreciate the likes, the comments, the sharing, every little thing that you do. Greatly appreciated by me, Christy here. I have to say, y'all are the best, and I can never thank you enough for all that you do. So thank you so much, y'all. If you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Come on, y'all. Come and join this great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family that we have built here. Numbers go up every single day, and I can never thank you enough for that. It is so wonderful that we get to spread all the Dolly goodness and share all the Dolly goodness fun together here. If you want to become part of that and all the Dolly silliness and loveliness hauls, makeovers, all the good stuff we get into here. Come along and join us because we would love to have you. And as I always say and mean in every single way, absolutely everyone, no matter what you're into, is always, always welcome here. Well, y'all, we did it. We made it through this cute little opening haul of all my littles and minis. So y'all know what I'm going to say. Happy, happy dolling, happy dolly day, and bye, y'all!